Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good morning to you all. Here we go then. We're back with close-up coins. There's actually going to be 8 coins up for guessing over the course of the weekend. We'll look through the answers on Monday morning. Some of them are super difficult towards the end. Some may be a little bit easier at the start, but I do want to keep it fun and exciting. Not make it impossible, but again, not make it too easy as well. If you are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. So nice to see so many new faces as well over the course of the last couple of weeks. Also, again, if you are new to the game, there is actually 8 pictures, all close-ups of commemorative coins. Some of them are territory coins, so they're not actually in UK circulation. I am trying to make it a little bit more difficult, again, especially towards the end of the video. Also, there is actually going to be a couple of loops of the same video over and over again without me probably talking in the background and trying to put you off. Again, can anyone get all of them correct? It is going to be a lot more difficult this weekend, but again, there hasn't been a week yet where nobody's got them all right. Will this be my weekend to win? Again, get all of your guesses in that comment section below, number 1 to 8, next to what commemorative designs you think they are. Again, it is possible you might have to get those coin albums out. Some of the coins you might never have seen before as well, so it will be good for some coin knowledge when we look over the coins on Monday. Again, I hope you're all having an amazing weekend. I'm off to cricket now, should be back around 6. Hopefully I'll have 100 next to my name and a big win as well. Thank you all so much again for all of the support recently. It really is amazing, and we really are flying towards that 24,000 Dan's Dollars family. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.